Michael, how pleasing has it been to see the emergence of so many Tier 2 teams competing consistently against Tier 1 nations, such as Japan, such as Canada, who pushed Italy and France really close? And are there any particular examples that you've been really heartened by?
I don't mind, mate. They put the game on in the middle of the road, we'll play. I think it's excellent for the game, number one, and for the World Cup as a tournament, because it's interesting the whole way through. I think all the supposed Tier 2 teams, now I can tell you, even in our match against Uruguay, who they're amateur players, a lot of them, you know what I mean? They pushed us all the way, and physicality, it's right up there, and I think the days of the blowouts are over, and I think the advent of those players playing in European competitions and in Southern Hemisphere competitions is making them much better.